Charlie here
Hi.
with the Monday video. Big Bear's not feeling well today, so Monkey's here filling in for him.
Yay!
And Jordan's kind of busy, so I'm going to be interviewing. So, Monkey, what would you say your favorite song is?
Either I like to move it moving or hamster day. No, hamster.
What would you...
But the Lion Sleeps Tonight, that's a good one. Cause the Lion Sleeps Tonight? Oh, good. Yeah.
So what about your favorite book? Do you have a favorite book?
Monkeys don't have many books.
Yeah, that's understandable. How about a favorite movie?
The Banana Zone.
Okay, that's like some big monkey movie?
Yes. Yeah, 100% on Rotten Bananas.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay then. So what would you say your favorite YouTube channel is?
Yours?
I mean besides.
Oh, okay,
mine.
okay. The computer nerd's pretty fun.
Oh yeah. We'll put a link to him nowhere because I don't feel like it. Yeah, that's pretty good. You already know your favorite food.
Zucchini.
Yeah, zucchini. So, if you could choose one thing to do right now, and you knew you were going to die tomorrow, what would the one thing you did before you died be?
Go skydiving.
That's a good one.
Yeah. I'd love to see my tail like flail around.
Yeah. So, what are your thoughts on the earthquake and tsunami and nuclear power plant in Japan?
I feel bad for the people in Japan.
Yeah.
Wish like monkeys could send like banana packages to them.
Banana.
Bet they could use some bananas.
Yeah, I bet they could. Alright,
Or
so...
zucchini.
Yeah, or zucchini. Right. Alright, so it looks like we're about out of time. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.